Guys, what's happening? So I am back out at the track again, trying to get a win. Today we got a modern versus classic race, and it's kind of run what you brung, basically. So anything that's considered a classic is going to be 93, and before that, anything after 1993 is a modern. So I'm barely on the classic with my 92. But it's, like I said, it's a majority of the cars that come out to the track is like 93 and back anyway. So it's pretty much going to be run what you brung, big tires, small tires, all in one class. And so my car is still set up for the no prep race, and I still got the weight in the back. Still got the radials on it. So we're gonna run with that. Pass, and I think I had it set for 19 psi or 18, somewhere in there, but I also forgot to hit the I thought I hit the data logger, but I didn't, so I got to cool it down and go hit another pass. So on 18-19 pounds boost, I don't know how much time I got to get back and look at it, but I probably was 18 degrees of time, and I think at wide open throttle. I probably sharp shifted it too. I need a shift light, but yeah.
Let Laney pick first.
All right, red chips on the left lane. Red chips on the left lane.
Laney.
Red chip is the left lane chip. Willie. Yes, sir. What year?
All right, guys. So I made it out the first round. Won a personal best that time, and well, going up here to draw again. So let's do it. Let's get it done. We made it down to the bottom 3 cars. That last pass sucked. I swear I need some new fuel pumps. That was close, but we're gonna get it. Hopefully, we're gonna get this win tonight. I'm claiming it right now. We're gonna get this win. We're gonna get this win. Yes, sir. So we just drew chips, and there was 3 cars left. One broke, but he asked could his daughter race instead with her car. She got put out, and me and the other guy said okay, but thinking back on it, we probably should have said just me and the other guy just been in the finals. That would have been it. One race to go and that's it. Instead of, and the crazy thing is she drew the bye and she's already in the finals. So yeah, that was a dumbass move. I should have said no, but it is what it is. Hopefully it'll work out and we go ahead. Yeah. Huh? But so what had happened was, yeah, we were dumbass for allowing her to come back in the race just because it got broke. Right. So if you're in a shootout and you're down to 3 cars and one breaks, that's it. The guy that breaks is out unless he can get his car to the line and make a pass. So, but yeah, like I said, we were dumb for allowing her to come back in the race, right? And then I went to my trailer. I thought about it, talked to my wife about it, and we both agreed that yeah, that wasn't right. So I went back to the guy, the 2 cars that were originally left, and I told him, hey man, I don't feel comfortable about this. I thought about it. I'm gonna change my mind because I don't think it's right. If you break, can't nobody else come back in the race and take your place. You know what I mean? That's the way it is. Unless you got buybacks or something that somebody can buy back in the race, then that should be established before the race starts. But in any case, if if we was said that's okay and didn't allow it to go on and not change our mind, it still should have been no way that should have been allowed to draw the bye and keep the bye. You know what I mean? You can't go from losing in the first round and then get allowed to come back in the race with the final 3 cars, and then draw chips and get the bye. And now you go from losing the first round straight to the finals. Okay, yeah, no, that's not right. So I changed my mind. You know what I mean? And apparently the other guy felt the same way because he changed his mind too. And it was how it should have been, just me and him in the finals, right? Instead of, nothing against her, it ain't nothing against her. It's just we were dumbasses for allowing that to happen in the first place. And, so wanted to make it right. So I ended up coming around him on the big end, and I am super happy that I got the win. Now, it sucks the way everything went down. We should have said no from the get-go, not allowing all that other nonsense to happen, and it wouldn't have had no drama. But, it is what it is, right? We got the race the way it should have been in the first place, right? I took home the win. It is what it is. So I'm super happy, and I couldn't have done it without the guys that was helping me out there. So we'll catch y'all on the next one. If you haven't already, go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.